Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2008 Sea Ray 270, Just One More. She sits here at 2 Georges Marina in Shalimar, Florida. Boat is extremely clean, all the way from her fish box to her seating to her carpets. All the soft goods are in order. There is a bimini, there is a back bimini. The side curtains are in good shape. The boat cover is not. She does come with the aluminum arch with rocket launchers with LED lights. Of course, being an Amberjack, she has a bait prep station with a live well. And our forward seats look very good. Boat comes equipped with a Navman chart plotter fish finder, a Clarion AM/FM CD changer with Bluetooth, windlass, and a spotlight, which I'll also show you there. She only has 626 hours on the engine. Stepping below, and again, the cleanliness of the boat and the soft goods is just amazing. Of course, back here we have our mid-cabin bunk. Moving forward, we have our refrigerator, stove, microwave, manuals. Always good to have the manuals. And of course, this boat's a little nicely upgraded. She has air conditioning as well as an LG TV on a swivel. Then we have our head, vacuum flush head. Again, everything very clean, very neat, very orderly. And I want to thank you for taking the time to view the 2008 Sea Ray 270 Amberjack. Just one more as she sits here at 2 Georges Marina in Shalimar.